In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily know who shared your post on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Make sure you are signed into your account and then tap right here to go to menu. After that, tap at that gear to move on to the settings and privacy, and then all we have to do now is just scroll down a bit until we find notifications. That's where you can easily find more activity about you. And then make sure all these toggles, especially that one, are toggled on. These are notifications for posts on your timeline, likes and other reactions, including shares. Once it is turned on, you will get a notification anytime anybody shares your post. Just tap at that bell icon to get those notifications. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.